Hey guys, do you want to tag someone on Instagram post after posting it? You will have to tag someone on a post, but you forgot it. So just don't worry because I'm just going to tell you the exact way and the easiest way to tag someone on a particular Instagram post after posting it. Just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. I'll just simply open up your Instagram app and come to your profile section and then select a particular post to which you want to tag someone, and then just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and tap on edit, and then here you can see the option of tag people on the left. Just simply tap on tag people, and then here tag the people to whom you want to tag. Just search for the person and select the account of the person and tap on tick on the top right, and then once again tap on tick on the top right to tag the person after posting it. So that's how you can easily tag a person on your Instagram post after posting it. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.